Hey everybody, it's Miss A and I'm here with a little recap on what we did today for our math lesson. So we talked about angles, and we talked about angles and their relationship to circles. So one of the things that we had to do is that we needed to understand that a circle is measured in degrees, and a circle measures 360 degrees. So to go all the way around the circle, that is one whole rotation, and that is 360 degrees. So we talked about the relationship of a semicircle to a whole. So that takes two of these semicircles to make a whole. So this is 1/2 of a circle. And it takes, here's our little arrow, it takes half the distance around a semicircle. So what that is 360 divided by 2, which is 180. All right? And that is half of 360. So what times 2 equals 360, you could think of it that way as well. We had that. And then we had these here, and we had to figure out what fraction of this part of the circle is this piece. So I'm going to do little lines here to help me. This one there, let me put it here. All right, that's 2. So it takes 3 of these to make a whole circle. So this is 1/3 of a circle, and that's the same thing as saying 360 divided by 3, which is 120 degrees. So 1/3 of a circle is equal to 120 degrees. 1/2 of a circle is equal to 180 degrees. We have this piece, and I'm going to turn it over so I've got clean space to write on. We need to figure out what fraction of the circle is this piece. All right, so this is 1/4 of a circle, and that's 360 divided by 4, which is 90 degrees. And we also know that because it does make that right angle here. And then we had this piece where we had to see how many of these it takes to make up the circle to figure out what fraction of the circle it is. All right, so this is 1/6 of the circle, and that is 360 divided by 6. So we're able to figure that out, and that is 60 degrees. We're able to figure out what this measures without actually using a protractor based on the fact that I know that this is 1/6 of a circle. And I can use my division, and we did work on division today in class to help us remember that. So we are using these to get a better understanding of about how much of a circle this is. So if I see this piece, I know this is about 90 degrees. It should be pretty close because it's 1/4. So I'm going to go ahead and draw that in my notebook. It is 1/4 of a circle, which is equal to 90 degrees. So it's a right angle. This is 1/2 of a circle because it takes 2 of these to make a circle, and that is 180 degrees, which we know is a straight line. It's a straight angle. We have this piece here, which is 1/3 of a triangle because, or excuse me, a circle, because it takes 3 of these to make my circle. That is 120 degrees. And then where's my 6th? Oops. I'm drawing all over this. 1/6 is equal to 60 degrees. What we're supposed to understand is the relationship between a circle and these type of angles. If I have a quarter of a circle, I need to know that it's 90. And I can figure that out by doing simple division, even if I don't memorize that this is 360 divided by 4 is 90. I should know that I can divide 360 by 4 because I can tell it takes 4 of these to make my circle. Same thing, and most of us know this one. We all know this one. These are the two that we really don't know as easily, but we can simply figure it out. We know it takes 3 of these, so this is 1/3 of a circle, and we just divide 360 by 3, which is 120, or we add 123 times to get 360, and then this one is 60 degrees because it takes 6 of them, so 60 times 6 is 360 degrees. All right, I hope this kind of clarifies what we were doing today in class. Thanks for watching, everybody.